So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So have you ever wondered how we just scan a QR code and send money and from one bank account to another? No cash, no card, just tap and go. So that is done because of UPI. But what exactly UPI is? How does it work behind the scenes? Let's break it down in this video. So UPI is a unified payment interface which is a real-time payment system developed by NPCI. So NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India, which is an organization responsible for managing retail online payments in the India. While its primary goal is to create robust, efficient and accessible payment infrastructure that allows seamless and secure transactions across country. So now let's talk about how UPI works in the backend. So first of all, when user initiates a transaction, then that request simply forwards to the payer PSP. PSP here means payment service providers, whether it can be Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay or any provider you are using. So after that, the request forwards to the NPCI UPI server, which is a main among this whole process. So which also serve as a backend between your issuer bank and your beneficiary bank. Now once the receiver side is verified as well, then the NPCI server sends one request to debit account and another request to credit beneficiary's account. So once all of this process is done, then at the end it sends status to the payer PSP, and hence on the mobile app you can see the status on your screen. So this is the overall flow of how the UPI works in the backend. So now let's talk about some of the key advantages of using UPI. So some of the key advantages of UPI are: first one is instant transfers. That is, we can send or receive money instantly anytime or anywhere. Second one is no need for bank details. That is, we don't need any IFSC code or account number. We just need a UPI ID or a registered UPI number to send or receive money. While third one is it is completely free. That is, currently UPI transactions are usually zero cost for users. While fourth one is it is highly secure, as it performs two-factor authentication and encrypted transactions, which keeps your money safe. And fifth one is like we can manage multiple accounts in one app. That is, we can link and manage multiple bank accounts in a single UPI app. That is super convenient, right? While apart from the advantages, there is another side of UPI as well. That is what we have recently faced around 2 to 3 times in 2 weeks. That is, UPI was down. We were not able to make any payments during 2 to 3 hours on that particular day. That is, recently it was on 12th April, right? So that might be because their NPCI server was down, because if that particular server is down, then it will affect both of the bank accounts, that is issuer bank and beneficiary bank. While NPCI is working their best to increase their servers performance, efficiency and capabilities, but we must carry some cash as well for the urgent payments in case this scenario happens again. So that was all about the UPI. I just hope it helped you at least a bit to understand this whole ecosystem. So that's all for the video. I will see you next time.